Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Toyota 4Runner. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized comfort and style by including a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.